Reopening will be a partnership between our businesses and our communities, built on trust. It's not enough just to open our doors. We need to provide a deeper level of consumer confidence as we work to create an environment safe enough to enter. Businesses will need to continuously adapt, follow through on their promises to consumers, and build trust. By extending Salesforce and Work.com, Youreka allows businesses to rapidly deploy new protocols, track safety and cleaning procedures, and communicate them to the public. As new official guidelines are being published, adapt instantly by deploying updated procedures to your entire organization with just a click. Monitor progress and procedures from all of your locations through a central data hub, allowing you to stay up to date on the latest cleanings, identify areas of concern, and follow through on your promise to consumers. Build trust by providing your customers in-depth information. Don't just give your word that your location is clean. Let them know by whom, when, to what standard, and what processes were followed. Reopening will be a journey. Be a partner along the way.